Okay guys, always you have to scan a little farther. You see the sign here, the left lane is ending, so we have to make distance now. We have to change lane, so I did signal mirror check. So always we have to scan a little farther, around 12-15 seconds, and figure out if your road has hazard or obstacle or the road is closed. So you need to make decision on time so that you don't have to stop there and wait for the traffic coming behind you, right?